Hello everyone, my name is Kishore Bist and today I am going to explain simple trick to calculate hybridization. For that one, you need something you learn some if answer is SP, SP2, SP3, SP3D, SP3D2, SP3D3. This is the hybridization. And if your answer will come, how we will calculate the answer? I will tell you. 2. It means your hybridization is SP. Answer is if 3, answer 4, answer 5, answer 6, and answer 7. Whenever you get the answer 2, that means hybridization is SP. Answer you get 3, SP3. Answer 4, SP3. Answer 5, SP3D. And answer 6, SP3D2. Answer 7, SP3D3. Now, how to calculate the answer like this? For that one, just you see, I'm telling you one thing. First, with the one example. Example is this. Just I have taken the example BeCl2. BaCl2. What is the formula to calculate the answer? That is, you people know that the beryllium atomic number is 4 and electronic configuration is 2, 2. So last cell containing the 2 electron. So 2 plus chlorine last cell Cl17 17287 last cell containing 7 multiply by 2. So this is the total electron. So number of electron in the last cell of B plus number of last cell electron in the Cl multiply by 2. Then total number of electron 2 plus 14 equal to 16. Now second rule, whenever you have calculated the total electron, after that you remember the point. If total number of electron in between 2 to 8, then divided by 2. Second point, if total number of electron more than 8, then divided by this is the simple things. First, when you are divided by 8 and whenever you are dividing by 2, you remember here is total number of electron is a 16, then you divided by 8. So now you have write 8 16 here, so 8 to just 16. So here you get the answer 2. Your answer is 2. It means when you get the answer 2, so hybridization is SP. SP hybridization. Okay. Now again, second example you take. Second example, I am going to take CnH3. So nitrogen, you people know that nitrogen atomic number 7. Simple thing is to learn the atomic number. So 2, 5, and second one is hydrogen is 1, 1. So now total electron NH3. Total electron equal to nitrogen containing 5 in the last cell plus hydrogen 3 atom are there. So 3 into 1 last cell containing the hydrogen. So total electron equal to 8. Now again, if the total number of electron 2 to 8, then divided by 2. Just I have written already. Here I am writing total electron 2 to 8, then divided by 2. Okay, total electron more than 8, then divided by 8. Clear? Now here just you see total number of electron is 8. So now hybridization. So now hybridization 8 by 2. Total number of electron is 8. 8 by 2, 4. So 4 means sp3. This is sp3. Next example you see. Next example just I am taking SF6. So sulfur, you people know that cysteine 286, last cell containing 6, fluorine is 9, 2, 7. So now hybridization total number of electron equal to 6 plus fluorine 6 atom, 6 into 7. So now 6 plus 42, that equal to 40. So total number of electron are more than 8, then it is divided by 8, then equal to 6. If you get the 6 answer, so 6 means your hybridization is sp3. Hybridization is okay. Now in the case whenever any element carrying the positive charge and a negative charge, molecules contain positive charge or negative charge. Now remember the point, if the element carrying the positive charge, so total electron minus positive charge, total electron minus positive charge. Negative charge means whenever you are going to calculate the total electron, so previously whatever method we are calculating the total electron, so total electron minus plus negative charge. Just I am telling you one example just I am taken S3O positive. So what is the hybridization? So now here hydrogen, people know that hydrogen is 1, so electronic configuration is 1, oxygen is 8, electronic configuration 2,6. Simply, so total electron equal to 1 into 3 hydrogen are there, plus oxygen at last cell containing 6. This is containing the positive charge. So positive charge means minus. You should minus 1 because it carry the 1 positive charge. So then total number of electron 3 plus 6 minus 1, that equal to 8. That 8 divided by 2, that equal to 4. 4 means sp3. Just you see here. Similarly, another one example. Just I have taken one more example here. I3 negative. This is the most important. I3 positive. Okay. I3 positive. This is the most important. Iodine, you people know that halogen group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogen group. This is halogen. So this is containing the 7 electron. The last cell, it means all the element of this group containing the 7 electron. That means so equal to 7 into 3. It containing the carrying the positive charge. So positive charge means minus 1. So now you get the answer 22. Now here this is not a divisible by 8. Then what you will do? Divide the 8. 8 to just 16. What is the remainder? Remainder is 6. Then again this remainder you should divide it by 2. So 2 3 are 6. So this is cancel out. So total sum of these. So total sum कितना आ गया? Total sum equal to 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. So 5 is here answer. So it means the hybridization is sp3d. This is the most important question. This is most important. Okay. Now come to the next one. If any molecule carrying the negative charge, this is I have taken the already two positive charge example. Now we are going to tell you negative charge. Okay. Just you see, I am taking the example SO4 2 negative. Everyone you know that. So now sulfur is equal to 16 to 8 6. Last cell containing 6. Oxygen belonging to the same group. So 8 2 6 both are containing the 6 electron. In the last cell, the total electron you are going to calculate as 6 plus 4 oxygen are there, multiply by 6, and then here the negative charge. Negative charge means you add 2. So total electron how much? 6 plus 24 30 32. 32 and should be divided by 8. More than 8, so then 4. 4 means sp3. This is clear. One more example I am going to write here, and I just one more example. Just I'm taking ICl2 negative. So now I is and Cl are the both group in the halogen. So I containing the 7 electron in the last cell. Also chlorine 2 molecule into containing the 7, and then it carry the negative charge. Negative means plus 1. So then total electron 22. Again it will divided by 8. So how many times? 8 to the 16. 6 remainder. Then again divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6. So now sum these 2 points. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So that equal to sp3d. This is the so simple trick to calculate the hybridization. Thank